Java certification for freelancers, adding value to your services. In today's competitive tech industry, staying ahead of the curve is essential for freelance professionals. One way to add value to your services and enhance your career prospects is by obtaining a Java certification. Why invest in Java certification for freelancers? As a self-employed professional in the software development industry, having a Java certification can set you apart from the competition. By showcasing your technical skills and expertise in Java programming, you can attract more clients and command higher rates for your freelance services. How does Java certification benefit freelancers? Enhanced skill set. Earning a Java certification can help you enhance your programming skills and expand your technical expertise. Credibility and trust. Clients are more likely to trust and hire freelance professionals who have proven their expertise through certification. Career advancement. Obtaining a Java certification can open doors to new career opportunities and advancement in the tech industry. Where to get Java certification? Online. These programs are designed to help you develop your Java skills and prepare for certification exams, all from the comfort of your own home. Conclusion. In conclusion, adding Java certification to your list of professional skills can significantly enhance your freelance career. By demonstrating your expertise in Java programming, you can attract more clients, command higher rates, and take on more challenging projects.